How to create a project in Asana. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and very easy video. So let's get started right away. Now, once you're here on the like home page of Asana, then you should see your project right over here. So here I can select my project, but I can also click on the plus icon. So here it says new project or portfolio. I'm going to click on new project. And over here, I can start with a blank project, use a template, or import a spreadsheet. So let's say I'm just going to go ahead and use a template. And then here, I have a bunch of different templates. So here I have the recommended templates. And these are usually like recommended to you based on when you created your account, you had to like select what type of use you wanted to use Asana for. So like project management or like marketing or whatever. So these are based off of that. And here you have a couple of different genres. So cross-team planning, ticket tracking, meeting agenda, product, sales, marketing. You can even click on show more templates. So here you can choose a bunch of different ones you would like. So I am, for example, gonna go with work requests, for example. So here you have a preview, how everything would look like. But let's say I would go to sales and then use this one. So then you can also see all of the different like sections. So I can click on use template here and I can give it a name. So for now, this is fine. And then private to project members or public to my workspace. I'm going to click on create project. So now you will, of course, have to wait a little before everything is loaded up. But as you can see, everything is here. Super easy. So here I have an overview, the list, board, timeline, and this may take a little bit before it is actually loaded up. Calendar, workflow, dashboard, and everything. So yeah, that's actually pretty cool. This is how you can create a project in Asana. And yeah, I hope this quick video helps you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time. Have a good day.